struggling to turn off parental controls but can't remember the Google password? You're not alone. Many users find themselves needing to regain access to their devices without the hassle of password recovery. In this guide, we will explore a couple methods to disable parental controls in 2024. So one of the ways to actually do it is to if you're using Family Link, for example, we're going to go ahead to the settings and then go ahead to the general and then iPhone storage, right? And then what we're going to do next, we're going to just go ahead to the Family Link. All right, we got to try to pin that down. All right, Family Link somewhere, it's somewhere here. So go ahead and then delete the app, not uploading the app. And by deleting the app, you're gonna force the Family Link, for example, to actually update itself to the latest version. And you're gonna be able to get access to all the new features, including you're gonna be able to erase all of that information and then basically gonna start fresh. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.